Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing legal entry. Apply for the correct visa or residence permit and book your arrival. Once approved, arrange temporary housing and travel insurance so you have a safe base. Make sure essential documents, birth certificate, marriage certificate, diplomas, are translated and apostilled now. You'll need them for permits, work, or enrollment. Act quickly on appointments because slots fill fast, and keep digital copies handy for each step. Once in Italy, register at your local commune to obtain residency and request a codis fiscale. This tax code unlocks nearly every service. Next, open a bank account and choose public health registration, Servizio Sanitario Nazionale, or private insurance based on your visa and work status. Simultaneously, secure long-term housing and pursue employment or study options. Join language classes to speed integration. To complete your move, apply for or renew the Permesso di Soggiorno and follow up until issued. This finalizes your legal status. Make sure you understand local regulations, waste sorting, parking permits, and municipal fees, because daily life depends on them. Enroll family members in healthcare and school systems as needed. If paperwork stalls or you face fines, contact a patronato, your consulate, or a relocation specialist immediately, and maintain a file of receipts and application ID to resolve issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.